Hey guys, Mayuka's Crafts here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this. This is a Cocodema. So it is going to help you to grow the plants with aerial space. So you can make these with different kinds of plants. Either they can be short plants or they can be like long creepers or crawlers. So now let's see how to make it. So this is called Cocodema, which comes from the word kokedama, which literally means moss ball in Japanese. These are a type of bonsai that not only look adorable but also consume less space, which is aerial space, are of less cost because you can make them from things around your house like soil, which you can find easily, a netted bag, and a plant, and they're also very eco-friendly. So first what we're going to require is normal garden soil mixed with vermicompost, water to spray, coco peat, a strong thread, scissors, a netted bag, and any plant of your choice. Here I chose a climber, a money plant. So now we're going to start making it. So first we're going to take the soil and spray water in it to make it softer. Now we're going to mix it. So now I mixed it. So now you can easily be able to mold it. So now we're going to mold it into like a ball kind of shape. So now we're done making it into a ball. Next you're going to take your coco peat and place the ball onto the coco peat. Then take the plant that you chose and you're just going to put the stem in the middle of this mud ball. So you're going to poke it in and press it tight so that it holds the plant properly. So now I'm done making this into a proper ball. So now we're going to raise this coco peat and put it onto this. So we're going to do this all around the ball. So why we put the coco peat is because when we water the coco peat, this thing will take in the water and keep it there for a few days, and it will give water to the plant for a few days, and you will not be needing to water the plant. So now after doing this, I'm going to keep it aside for a bit of time. Next we're going to take this netted bag and place the plant on here, and now we're going to make it into shape and cut it accordingly. So now I'm going to show you guys after I cut the netted bag. Now I cut it into the proper size, and now I'm going to spray some water onto it. Then I'm going to cover this thing with the netted bag like this. So you're going to gather it all around. You're going to take a small thread and tie it over here by the neck. So now I tied it tighter on the neck. So now we're going to cut off these excess netted bag so that it looks more neat. Next we're going to take a longer thread and divide it into two like this. So here you'll get a loop and here it should be equal. Then you're going to take one of the threads and tie it here. and tie the other side opposite to the one that you tied just now over here. So now this way you can hang the plant like that. So now I'm just going to make it a little more tighter and show you guys. So now I'm done tying it tight, and I'm just gonna spray water all over to keep the soil wet and for the coco peat to absorb some water. So after 3-4 days you can again spray it with more water so that the soil doesn't get dry and the plant gets more water. So now you can just hang it on, and this will be like a plant just hanging in the air which won't occupy much space. So this is how it turned out, and I hanged it up right now. So this is how it is looking. So now the advantage of this is that it doesn't require ground space, but it requires aerial space. So it looks more beautiful and it's hanging as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye. So here's the answer to the previous puzzle. As I said, you can only move 3 sticks to make this eraser come into the house. So first you're going to move this stick like this, then this one like this, and this like this. So now the eraser will be inside the house and the house is as it is. This is the next puzzle. So you have to find out the next letter in this series. So it goes J, F, M, A, M, J. So what is the next letter that comes? So let's see who can get this correct.